start boiling this water for the noodles. So you want to make sure you put enough salt in there so that way you can taste it. What I'm about to do now is get this chicken together. So we're going to rinse this chicken off. I'm going to season it up. We're going to put it in this pan. Then I'm going to cut up the onion and the pepper. And we're going to get this Rasta pasta started. Do your Rasta pasta dance. I can season them up.
Look at that good chicken. We always use onion powder when we cook chicken. It just gives it a really strong and nice flavor. Pepper. I wish I could smell this pepper. It's so strong.
So this is a little bit of garlic salt. Put some of this jerk seasoning on it, because if you're making a dish that requires like jerk or curry, you want to make sure you try to put it in everything. And you know, jerk is spicy, so put as much as you know your spice can handle. And it does have salt as the main ingredient, so just be mindful of that also. So just a little bit of regular salt. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in here just so I can mix this chicken around good. So that's how that looks. Bless you. I wish I could smell this though. Alright, so we're about to flip first one. See that nice golden brown on it? Look at that. Ooh, it looks so nice. And depending on how sauce you get
that sizzles real good. Look at that green, guys.
And I'm gonna put it. Oh my god, I got the wrong ones. I got chocolate, y'all.
I told you.
Oh, it's okay.
And you know, I told you the vegetable ones.
It's alright.
Yes.
Alright, so
And she's just seasoning the peppers.
for some more jerk. Alright, so let's start the sauce. So this is the coconut milk that we bought. I'm going to add the whole can. So we're going to add this half and half. Then we got the chicken over here. This chicken. So I added the thyme leaves, and just pour them back, put them off in the pot. So let's just pour, and I don't measure. I'm just eyeball it. I want to put the Parmesan cheese in there because that way. So let's just do a little bit at a time. Look at it. When you move your spoon, you don't see really no. You can actually see that the bottom of the pot is not real liquidy. No. You hear Mr. Jamaican? Butter? Yes. So now we're gonna stir this all up. Okay. Look, y'all. It's coming together. Let's taste. Taste her food that she made.
I like it.
Look, Cakey seconded.
They have a good flavor. They're nice and juicy. The chicken is good. It's not dry or anything. It's
Alright, y'all. So we done making the first
Make
time
sure you like
Rasta.
and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Cake, say goodbye.